Hey guys, it's Tiffany, and here is my coverage of all of the Bluey toys that I saw at Moose Toys booth at New York Toy Fair 2020. Or any other denomination. We have a bingo game, perfect for the little ones, and a board game based off of the episode Shadowlands. We have August release dates for these toys. They told us they would be released in June, but typically things are said June because it takes about 6 weeks for them to come from the factory. So I'm gonna say August, and let us just be surprised in June if they're here in North America. So I was told that Australia would get this line first. I know right now Bluey, the large plush and the small plush of Bingo and Bluey are already out along with the 4-pack, but hopefully you guys get this first if you're watching from Australia, and just say hi below, because hello. So I just want to say personally, I love this show. I love toys. I love to pretend, play with my kids. I love being creative. And this show just speaks to me as a parent and also helps me come to terms that I'm not crazy and that all of us parents who just love the same thing and love our kids, we all do the same thing, try to make them happy. So this is such a great show. So we should all as parents watch Bluey, learn a thing or two, And also, you should also learn more by checking out more of my toy covers from your Toy Fair 2020. You can also check out my IGTV and watch my son's reactions to this whole Bluey set. I could not wait to show him this. So this whole line is on his birthday list. So please watch this video a lot so I can get some money to buy them all, okay? Thanks. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and all that jazz. Bye.